how to do skill moves in EAFC 25. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So generally, skill moves help you beat defenders and create space. You can use the right stick to perform skills, and each player has 1 to 5 star skill move rating. All right, so the first thing you want to do is step over. It's pretty simple. You want to just rotate your right stick 180-degree from one side to another. Okay. The other is going to be ball roll. All you need to do is simply go ahead and use your right stick and take it up or down. Roll the ball forward or backward. You can also flick the roll or right stick backward and turn by beating the defenders and changing direction. There's fake shot. You can simply go ahead and flick your right stick to left and right immediately, which will fake the shot and go past defenders. You can also go ahead and do a hocus pocus, which is going to be flicking the right stick to right and left. You can also flick the right stick to back and up for a rainbow, or flick the right stick down and up for a sombrero flick. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.